So I'm gonna try some backwards engineering here.
It works. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Handy Matt, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video yesterday of the vacuum cleaner. I stand by what I said. I believe it's the best vacuum cleaner on the planet for the cost. Best bang for your buck. Today we are going to upgrade it a little bit and fix the little heat diffuser reflector thing on the headlights. So here we go. Let's get started. Okay, here we are. Pardon the fan noise in the background. It's hot, humid, and nasty, and the air conditioner's not keeping up, so, well, sorry about the noise. But I can't touch anything without trying to upgrade it, so we're gonna upgrade this vacuum just like I mentioned in yesterday's video. Alright, so the plan is I'm going to use this aluminum tape to line the back here, the bottom, and the top to reflect more light out of the vacuum, out of the headlights, onto the floor. So when it's dim light, you can see a little better. So we're going to see how well we can do it. Now this little heat deflector that goes above the light, like that, because it's old school lights, they create a little bit of heat and you don't want to melt plastic, right? This one came off, and I've come up with a way to refasten it. You see these little discs right here? Well, one of them had fallen off and I had found it and I split it in half. So I have two extra pieces of plastic to try to melt in right here. But I gotta get this torch that's got my soldering attachment on it warmed up. I'm gonna set that over there and let that get nice and toasty. I've already wiped this out pretty good. So this tape right here, it sticks to just about anything. And I'm gonna actually put it in here to where it sticks over, and then I'm gonna put this top part back on, cut around it with a box cutter, and then kind of trim it from there, so that way when this top part's back on there, you can't even tell that it's in there. Let's go with a piece about that long for there. Alright, so I think the soldering iron is plenty hot. These two little pieces of plastic over here, the tweezers. So I'm hoping all I have to do is just kind of get in here and move this around. Yep. Put that extra piece of plastic on there. We'll just kind of melt it in there. little hot. Let's come down a little bit. And we're just trying to basically remake the plastic rivet that used to be there. That ought to do it. Now it stinks like melted plastic in here. We'll set that up to the side, let it cool off. We'll focus on getting this place all nice and shiny, so the light goes that way instead of that way. I like that they can just go. This time, here. Okay, here. Thank you. Go here. Right back. Back. Do it more. Sitting down. Other thing here. And little. What's up? And it. You know, it's boring. Sit. Go ahead. Up. Yes, right. No, there and go in. Go. You gotta do it. Finish. We just stop. Now, these ends. Here, no, finish. All right. It's gonna be too hard to get back in there. I'm not gonna bother. But I got my heat shield back in there. Seems pretty solid. And I think all of this extra reflective aluminum that you can't even see is going to make these headlights a whole bunch brighter. Let's drop our screws back in here. Let's plug it in and see what we got. Let me turn the lights off that are up above us. See if there's a noticeable difference. I'm pretty sure there's going to be. Those are way brighter than they were. Way brighter. Put this cord back in place. Hey, we're looking pretty good. I just gotta take that the exterior vacuum bag off to the car wash tomorrow and get it cleaned up really good and dried out. And my wife's got a better vacuum than she's ever had in her entire life, even though I've spent probably $2,000, if not more, for the last 25 years on vacuums. Yep. All is well. It's nice to upgrade something that and just make it a little bit better than it was. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Best way to share, I always screw that up. Best way to support this channel is to share this video, hit the subscribe button, like button, drop a comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Laters.